I seem low on energy, low key, like makeup makes me tired. And I have 2 bowls of cereal this morning. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on a run, though I give it to you, but baby.
What's up, peeps? It's your girl Kay, back with a random yet informative video. And for today's video, I'm gonna be basically showing y'all the baby registries that I've signed up for and what I got from each one. Most of them are not free. It's like a free like a little fee or something you have to do to like qualify for them. But I know Target for sure is free when you sign up, and Walmart is free too. So yeah, but I'm gonna be showing y'all the baby registries I signed up for to get their gift bags, and we're going from there. Stay tuned. So for the first one, I'm gonna start off with Buybuybaby. And so for Buybuybaby, they give you this bag. And then on it says, all day snuggles, dreamy giggles, squeezable, everything, welcome to babyhood. So inside the bag, they give you this Phillips bottle. Then I got this, which I will not be using because there's so much stuff going on. Then they give me this $5 off any purchase of more, and that expires the end of the year. They give you a book full of rewards, so I guess it's like a credit card. Then we get a pacifier and Noodle and Boo. And then right here it's like hair wash and lotion, which honestly I've heard so much about that company, or this company. And then they give you like a small gift thing, so that's good too. But I've been looking at the laundry detergent because I want it symptom free, and I've been seeing good reviews, so we might do that. But water wipes, I honestly love these wipes. And then they give you a $1 off coupon with any other water wipe. And then you get gripe water, which I've been hearing is much needed. And these boogies, I heard that's a waste of money, honestly. You just use regular wipes. And then the stretch mark things, which I have not used yet. And this Aveeno lotion, baby lotion. I love Aveeno, so most of my baby stuff will be Aveeno. And this is Aquaphor. Oh god, come in handy. Okay, so that's for the first one. Next, Walmart. Don't mind the box. Like, this box has been through so much stuff. But yeah, knock knock, who's here? So this is Walmart, and they give you this huge box. Alright, special delivery. So for Walmart, you get Huggies diapers. It's the special delivery one, so the hyperallergenic one. And it comes in a pack of 3, and these are size 1. And then you get Huggies natural sensitive wipes, which I actually like these too. Then you get this liquid IV, which I've been seeing these everywhere. So the flavors I have is lemon, lime, and strawberry. And in stores, I know people have been buying them like crazy, and they're like 16 bucks. And I'm like, jeez. Then next you get this prenatal support smoothie. It's chocolate. I'm not really a big fan of chocolate, so yeah, I'm gonna have to add some fruit or something to it. Then you get this Desitin, and then this nipple balm, which I gotta search that. Then you get this therapy oil and the lotion for stretch marks. Again, I can't speak. Next, you get water wipes, or I'm not sure, maybe they're just advertising the water wipes. Oh, actually it did have water wipes in it, but I ended up using it. So yeah. Next, I guess this just tells you everything that's in there, and then it gives you like the shots. These are like milestone cards. So 1 month. Yeah, these are like milestone cards, and they have different like items on there that are good depending on the month and stuff they're on. So that's cool. And some of these items I've already looked at online. Like that noise sound thing is actually on my registry. And then the stretch mark thing. So they give you like papers to describe each one that they put in here for you to try. Next one is Amazon. And fun fact about Amazon, as some of you may know if you watched like my previous videos, my beginning, you may notice like an item in here that I've already shown, and it's the onesie. And because basically I had to order or somehow get another Amazon bag shipped out, because the first one that I got, it was like busted up, like the box was completely shredded and busted up, and I'm pretty sure someone took stuff out of it. So I'm not sure if I got everything, but they end up bringing me another thing. So I have 2 Amazon registries, so yeah, but they end up getting me another one, and I'm just gonna share what's in the actual second one that I got that's better. So here's the bag that I got. And we're gonna start with this little onesie, which y'all have seen before, and it's from Carter's, but it's 1 to 3 months, I believe. Yeah, 3 to 6 months, and it has like animals on there, and this is really cute. Like, I love animals. Dinosaurs, oh my gosh, dinosaurs. Okay, so that one has animals on there, and then they give you, or they gave me, triple protection triple paste. It says diaper rash ointment, which I've never heard of this, but diaper rash ointment, okay. Next, you have the breastfeeding samples. So these are like breast pads. Oh, disposable nursing pads, and then you get the breast milk storage bags. Then papers. Then this one advertises the like glass and plastic bottle, which is kind of cool. Then water wipes. And these are like actual size. If I seem low on energy, low key, like makeup makes me tired. And I have 2 bowls of cereal this morning. Like, I was starving for like Captain Crunch, and I finally got it. But yeah. Then the Baby Breeza. I want to breastfeed exclusively for like the first few weeks to see how that goes, and then bottle transition my baby. So yeah. And I'm gonna be using, I plan on using glass bottles instead of plastic bottles. So that's another thing. Then they give you this Child Life. It's like vitamin K drops and vitamin D drops and stuff like that. Then they give you this for the breast pump. Swash. I've never heard of this. Okay, wow. And basically I get a full-size gripe water to go with this. So full-size gripe water. And I can try this laundry detergent out. And then the CeraVe, the baby lotion and shampoo. So most likely I'm probably gonna use these travel or the sample sizes like within the first month or so I could just get those out the way. or use those for like when traveling. Okay, and last but not least, I didn't do baby list yet. I wanted to, but I don't know, I just didn't do them. But I might do that when I do like what I got for my baby or slash baby shower thing. Fun fact, I'm not doing a baby shower. It's like a virtual baby shower, if you call it, because yeah, I'm doing registries. But so no baby shower. But yeah. So this is from Target, and I don't have the bag. Like, I gave my mom the bag, and then she doesn't know what happened to the bag, so whatever. But yeah, I'm sure you've seen it before. If you haven't, or yeah, I'll just put up a video one of these places. But this next one's all from Target. And so Target, they give you the Millie Moon sample sizes, and they have 2 packs, and they're unisex. And then these are called luxury diapers. Dermatology tested, feather soft, 12-hour absorbency, pH balance liner, and totally chlorine free. And honestly, I've been hearing so many good things about it. I really want to like wait till my baby's here to see how these work, because I want to know if I should buy more or not of this brand. So then gripe water again. Let me tell you, we're set with gripe water at this point, because like I have almost some in everyone. And then my favorite wipes, water wipes, and it's the same size like Amazon. Whoa. Just act like it's here. And then I have Honest Wipes, which I actually like this company too, but I don't know about like the diapers and stuff, but I do like this company too, and I've heard so much stuff about them. Okay, we're gonna act like that in Harmony. And then next we have Huggies, and these are the size 1, and they give you 3 in here too. And you get a little bottle from Browns, which I heard these anti-colic bottles are amazing. I have so many people preach by them. Next, you get this stretch mark cream. I'm set on stretch mark cream too. I think I just showed the gripe water. And then Dreft. I heard babies still break out from this, so honestly I won't be using Dreft, but here you go. They have this, and they have sensitive Huggies again in Target. And then Baby Aveeno. I love my Baby Aveeno. I use Aveeno. Pino, you know. And then last but not least, Boogie Wipes. And these have staining. Look at my one. I kind of messed up, but we're not going to talk about that. But it matches, okay? It matches. And yeah, that's it. Okay. Look how cute this basket is, okay? But yeah, so I had all of that baby registry stuff in here. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out other videos on my baby list that we have going so far. And also don't forget to put like recommendations and stuff you'd like to see and hear about for the upcoming months, especially since like these next few months are about to fly. Like 3 more months left, okay? 3 more months. And at the time of this video, at the time y'all are seeing this video, I think I will be like, as of today, I'm 25 weeks. So at the time of this video, you'll be seeing me when I'm 26 weeks, or you'll be seeing it when I'm 26 weeks. And also my birthday's passed. So yeah, happy birthday to me early. And I'll be 26 weeks. So let's go. But if you have any recommendations that you like want me to do and stuff, especially within the last few stretches of what I have left, make sure you comment down below and let me know. And also keep up with my TikTok And yeah, because I be eating over there. That's enough of me. Until next time, peace.